si Michael at ang Mr. Bankable Achiever ng Pasig, Emilio.
Alam mo na sandali.
Mga kapuso at kapamilya, nandito na sila. Palakpakan natin, Michael and Emilio. Welcome to the outside world. Welcome back to the outside world, Michael, Emilio. You boys made us so proud sa inyong stay sa bahay ni Kuya. Ano yung sa tingin niyo pinaka-importanting aral na babaunan niyo dito sa outside world?
Thank you again for that question. I think ang pinaka-importanting aral na nakuha ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay maging mabuting tao. Yun talaga, Ate Bianca. Just be good and it'll all come back to you one way or another. Nabusin mo lahat. I'm really sorry.
Don't say sorry.
Okay, I love you guys. I love you all so much. The biggest lesson I learned from this house is to just spread love, stay positive. You never know what will happen. And cherish the people around you and be thankful for them. Maraming salamat, Kuya, for everybody's here.
I hope this shows you boys how loved you are. Maraming salamat for sharing your life dito sa Pinoy Big Brother.
We love you, Michael. Mas bumangit. Mas bumangit pa ang humahanga at sumusuporta sa inyong dalawa.
Pilipinas at Team Online, sama-sama na kayong What BBTO sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay ng mga sikat. Ito ang
Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition!